check out my snack haul. Hi guys! Back from Japan, and I spent the last 2 weeks putting together all my Japan videos, but now that they're done, the holiday blues are starting to kick in a little bit, and so I thought the best way to remedy that is to tuck into your snack haul. I've got my Minion hoodie on that I got from Universal Studios in Japan, and I can't wait to get started. First up, let's try this cheese biscuit, I think it is. Ooh. It smells sweet, but tastes salty. Strawberry cheesecake flavoured Kit Kat. Ooh. It's Mount Fuji. It smells so strawberry-y. Can taste strawberry, but no cheesecake. Cheesy poofs. They're literally cheesy and poofy, and you don't get much either. Like melted cheese that's been cooled down. Not a great texture, but really cheesy. Hokkaido melon Kit Kats. Whoa! 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 Oh, you can really smell the melon. Definitely taste the melon. Next up, cheese and almond crackers. They're so cute. Aww. Salt and camembert biscuits. Oh wow, look how pretty the packaging looks. Ooh. And I love the salty sweet. Hokkaido Mellow Pocky. Look at that, it's huge. Individually wrapped. Definitely taste the melon. Okay, next up, crispy chicken skin. Ooh, you can really smell the chicken. Ooh. Similar flavour to pork crackling. So this is cheese sandwich between dry squid. Ooh. Cheesy and chewy at the same time. Intense matcha Kit Kat, more intense flavour. I guess that's why the packaging is dark green. The Kit Kat's a lot darker too. Quite bitter, so not crazy sweet. Triple cheese crackers. Ooh. Cheese filling. Shinsu apple Kit Kat. Wow. Oh, you can really smell the apple. Apple and chocolate. Bit of a weird combo. Melty Kiss Party. So this bag comes with 3 flavours. Green tea, strawberry, creamy with chocolate. It's just a block of chocolate. Lots of strawberry flavour. Ooh. Quite a strong green tea flavour. Creamy cheesecake. It's melting in your mouth. Oh, so cheesy. Hoji Cha Kit Kat. It has a background tea flavour. Another one of these, honey and gorgonzola. Ooh. Ooh, and then the honey comes in at the end. Next up, grape Kit Kat. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this one's purple. You can definitely get the grape flavour. Very artificial though. Coconut Pocky. 2 packets. Ooh. You get the texture of the coconut. Oh, and then the flavour at the end. Apple pie Kit Kat. It says like on the packet. Can't decide what it tastes like. Bubble tea gummies. Ooh. That's what it looks like inside. Actually, it tastes like bubble tea. More cheese. Cheesy rice crackers. It tastes like a normal rice cracker with a soft cheesy centre. Next up, a Sakura and roasted soybean Kit Kat. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. White chocolate. You can get the soybean flavour at the end. More squid snacks. So these squid snacks have fillings inside. I think there's sesame, chilli and plum. Ooh. Ooh. First up, the plum. Sugar chilli, very squiddy, not very plummy. Next up, chilli, but not that spicy. And the last flavour, sesame. It all kind of tastes the same. Wasabi, Kit Kat. Ooh. Aww. Looks like white chocolate. You get the wasabi flavour. Next up, I don't know what this is. Ooh. Oh, just a rice cracker. It says 4 out of 16 on the packet. So I think 4 out of 16 of these are going to be really spicy. Yep, there were 16 in there. So I think this is like a roulette game. Last but not least, I got Minion pot noodle from USJ. Oh, oh, look at the little minions. Ooh. Aww. Tastes like a regular pot noodle, but with extra cuteness.